In this video, you'll learn how to enable and customize the screensaver on your Google Pixel device. By the end of this tutorial, you will have your screensaver set up to your liking, enhancing your device's usability when idle or charging. Start by locating the Settings app on your Pixel device. This can typically be found on your home screen or in the app drawer. Once you open the Settings app, look for the option labeled Display and tap on it. After tapping, you will see various display-related settings. Scroll down until you find the screensaver option. Tapping on this will bring you to the customization settings for your screensaver. Inside the screensaver settings, you will see a toggle switch that allows you to enable the feature. Move the toggle to the right to activate the screensaver. Once activated, you will be presented with several screensaver styles to choose from, including options like a clock or photos. Take your time to review each style and preview them by tapping on them. This will help you decide which option best suits your aesthetic preferences. After selecting your desired screensaver style, you can customize additional settings related to when the screensaver should activate. You have the option to set it to turn on while your device is charging, docked or both. Adjust these preferences based on how you typically use your device. Additionally, explore other customization options available, such as adjusting the brightness or selecting specific content to display during the screensaver. Once you have made your selections and adjustments, ensure to save your changes. Look for a save button or similar confirmation prompt, which will finalize your settings. Your screensaver will now be activated and will function according to the preferences you have selected. It's important to remember that the effectiveness of the screensaver may depend on your device's battery status and current usage. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.